how to create tasks on ClickUp. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about ClickUp. Now there are several ways to add or create a task on ClickUp, and I'm going to show you some of them. Now the first way to add a task is simply by looking over here on the bottom right, and you will be able to see this task option over here. By clicking this, we would be able to add a task directly on wherever page that we are. Over here, we can add the name of the task, for example, testing, and then this section we could select where we would like to add the task. We have the spaces, folders, and list over here. You could add something over here like a description, and you could add attachment over here. Now after editing this section over here, you can simply click on create task, and you would be able to create your task just like that. Or you could also go over here on the left side and click on task. And in this section, you would be able to directly look at the specific folder that you are having so that you would be more organized, and simply do the same thing as I did earlier by clicking this, and it will automatically select the location that you are looking into. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.